Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, we have seen a very explosive and volatile altcoin market. As Bitcoin was struggling to climb over the price of 95,000, majority of the altcoins were up about 5 to 7% and some as far as 30%. That definitely did actually push the whales, and especially the people who are holding ETFs for Bitcoin and also the Nasdaq listing, to actually pour more money into Bitcoin, and therefore Bitcoin was able to break above 96,000. We're sitting at a very important stage between 96 and 97,000, but there is definitely a lot of optimism that's actually returned into the market, expecting the next pull up to actually make it all the way to 100k and start the next leg of the bull run for 2025. While all of this is happening, you should be looking into your favorite coin to ensure that you're able to make a lot of profit while the market is climbing. And the one I have been looking at is Solaxy. If you do not know, about 12 days ago I made a video on this token. It was in pre-sale stage, very early stages. At the time it had raised about $4 million, and right now you can see that they've raised just under $8 million. So if you listened to me about 2 weeks ago, you would have already doubled your money. It's your final choice. Now, just so you guys know, this is your final chance to be able to get into this pre-sale, as it will be coming to an end very soon and more things are going to be happening with this project. Just to give you perspective what this project is about, Solaxy is the next evolution in the layer 2 technology, delivering epic customization, efficiency, and performance. It neutralizes the Solana pair points, network conjunction, failed transaction, and scalability limitations while amplifying the strength of Solana. So pretty much they're trying to build something on Solana which is going to be even better. And obviously it's in a pre-sale state, so it's still very early, and you guys know getting early into any project is always very good. Utility is very simple. Experience the seamless performance with our Solana layer 2, the fastest chain that you guys have ever seen. And the roadmap, while the pre-sale is in progress, after that TGE, bridge, and listing. So post pre-sale, the SolX token will be deployed on the multiple chains, allowing pre-sale buyers to bridge their tokens to Solaxy layer 2 blockchain and Solaxy development. Right now, if you do decide to buy it, it's actually very simple. By the way, if you want to purchase it, the link will be in the description. It will just take you to this website. You can just click on connect wallet and then just select if you use MetaMask or Best Wallet. If you use MetaMask, simply click it. Then once your wallet is connected, you guys can just select how much Ethereum you would like to convert into Solaxy, and then it will give you the Solaxy. You can actually stake it away currently for an APR or per annum return of 468%. As more and more people are going to be buying into the token, obviously the return will go down and down. I mean, compared to before, it's definitely come down a little bit, but if you're early, obviously just holding the token in general, you're already going to be making a profit. Talking about the audit, they've done their audit, no problems at all. As you can see, everything is perfect. I mean, it is backed by one of the well-known teams which has worked on tremendous amount of tokens in the past. Their Twitter has a very hectic following, close to 50,000 members, or you can say 50,000 followers, and their tweets are also getting very influential. As 18 hours they already have close to 180 likes, and the initial post they made, which was on the 13th of December, well, that has nearly 400,000 views. So you guys know that there is a lot of whales which are paying very close attention to this token. The Telegram has just about 2,000 subscribers, so still very early stages. I personally feel like it's still very early into this project. That's why getting into it to ensure that you're able to make profit while the market is going to climb is going to be your best option. Another thing that's important is this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you my opinion. You need to do your own research. The link will be in the description. You can purchase it. Always do your own research. Nothing here is financial advice, and this is a meme coin. That's always the disclaimer that you guys need to read. At the same time, if you look at history, well, the ancient Greece, then the Nikola Tesla, and then we have Steve Jobs. He redefined everything, and let me tell you one thing, that Solaxy is going to be the redefinition in terms of how well Ethereum and Solana have put everything together, but now getting into layer 2 is going to be the next step ahead. As I mentioned, if you want to purchase it, the link will be in the description, but make sure you do your own research. Other than that, thank you for watching the video till the end. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day ahead and get into this before the launch is done. 2x. I personally feel like there's still a lot more opportunity, maybe 50 million even before the pre-sale comes to an end. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you very soon.